Morphle, morph into a motorcycle.
And the new champion of the world is... Huh? A little kid? Tell us, little girl, is this the most happy moment of your life?
No, Morphle and I think there are lots of things more important than winning.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, people of Earth!
Wow!
We are gathering the fastest racers from every planet to compete in the first motorcycle Grand Prix of the universe. And you are clearly the fastest on this planet. Follow us.
Morphle, morph into a space bike. Watch out, Morphle! A meteorite!
Great move. Meteorites are the most dangerous thing a space biker can come across. Get ready. Set.
Great, Morphle! We're winning! Oh no! Look, Morphle! Comets! Lots of them! Well done, Morphle! We're gonna win!
Ah!
Oh no! Look, Morphle!
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Morphle, some things are more important than winning. We have to go save them.
Oh!
Morphle, add a sidecar to the bike.
Thank you for saving me, Mila. And Morphle. Unfortunately, you lost the race because you helped me.
That's okay. Some things are more important than winning awards.
Well, you might not have won an award, but there is something else you won.
Oh?
My friendship. Come with me. I will show you around in space.